Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a mid-month love check-in for you. I hope you all enjoyed your money and work readings as well. And now we're going to do love. Let's begin. And Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, okay? Will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. Oops. Okay. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So, Sagittarius, let's begin your mid-month love check-in. Thank you all my subscribers. We've crossed over to the other side of the 1,000 subscribers in less than 3 months. Thank you so much for all that love. I mean, I'm overwhelmed. Thank you, thank you. And if you're new here, do join our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for love readings, monthlies. We even did a love and work and money reading this month because of one of my subscribers who reached out. I hope you enjoyed those, and if you like them, do join us. Subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in. King of Wands in reverse. What's happening here, Sagittarius? Not feeling on the up and up, it seems. Let's see. Person A is feeling very sad. Okay, for the newbies, I normally refer these as person 1 and person A and person B. Okay, you decide which side you resonate best with. So for person A side, I have somebody feeling rather sad and wanting to communicate or getting some communication. I have the Page of Swords, the High Priestess, the Knight of Wands, which was here as well, and the Temperance card. That's your card, Sagittarius. Let's see person B. Star in reverse, 9 of Cups in reverse, 6 of Pentacles in reverse, Justice, 3 of Cups, and the 8 of Cups. Somebody wants to return here. Let's start clarifying the card, Sagittarius. As I said, the first card on person A side is deep regret. They're feeling really upset, sad, sorry. Who are they feeling sorry about, and what is this communication that they're waiting on? Spirit, what is this 8 of Wands? They're feeling rather unhappy. Whoever this person A is feeling rather unhappy right now. Sun is not shining, all their cups are spilled to the ground, and they are remembering somebody from their past and wanting to go back to their past, or just wrapped up too much in the past memories here of something. Maybe they're looking forward to communication. Spirit, what is this 8 of... Too many cards, Spirit. What is this 8 of Wands for them if they are feeling this, this way? What is this 8 of Wands for person A? They are wanting to either get communication, or they are watching things happening for person B, and they are spying big time. They're spying on either this person, or maybe the person A wants to be in this position where they are the wife, or I don't know. Somebody is heavily spying. I have Ace of Swords clarified by the Ace of Swords. I mean, this is heavy duty. This is heavy duty spying going on this Queen of Pentacles, I think. And they are not feeling happy. They're not feeling happy at whatever they're hearing. Yes, somebody walked away. Somebody walked away here. And this person is feeling lonely, sad, keeping a watch, not enjoying the communication or whatever they're hearing about this person anymore. And feeling totally out of balance, feeling totally without control anymore. They're trying very hard to, stay silent and, tap into their spirituality or whatever. But right now they feel they've lost control. Person A is feeling sad, lonely, upset, watch somebody leave their life, not liking what they're seeing. Maybe the other person is doing well without them. They are totally heavily spying on them, and they feel they've lost control of this wonderful, wonderful Queen of Cups, okay, who seems to be a very spiritual person, very intuitive person, and who is also now, I think, seen as the Queen of Pentacles, right? Person A also has the Knight of Wands in their energy. I think they're wanting to rush in. They're wanting to rush back to this person, and maybe, yeah. the thought of going to this person is now bringing them stress and worry. They don't like being left behind or left alone, and they are heart of hearts wanting to charge towards this person who's left their life, I think, and try and bring some kind of balance back into this equation. Is it too late? But 1 second, Spirit. They're not happy. They're not happy. They've realized that once this person B has left their life, they've lost their strength. Okay, they have been totally confused, and the life is dark at this moment, full of illusions. It's not making them feel happy at all. Okay, once this person has left their life, they're feeling weak without this person B in their life. Anything else, Spirit, for person A? They are now taking stock of, oh my God, what happened in this relationship. They're seeing what is the investment that they put or they didn't put, and what the other person was bringing to the dynamic. It's like when you lose somebody, you have more value for that person. Something like that is going on with person A, and they are now dreaming of kind of having a beginning or a restart with person A. Person B, sorry. Person A is feeling this way, that they are now not happy, and now they've given themselves time to think, oh my God, what happened here? And without this person B, I'm really not happy at all. So let's see person B, how are they doing? Now they have the Star in reverse and the 9 of Cups in reverse. So they are also sad. Okay, they're also not in a very good frame of mind, but I don't see them really hoping or praying for this, even though they are also unhappy. They are not feeling very happy in their own lives. They are looking back, still a bit depressed at everything that spilled to the ground here. They feel that there was no equal give and take in this relationship. 6 of Pentacles in reverse, right? They are feeling that, yes, maybe there were third parties involved here, which didn't make them happy at all. 9 of Cups in reverse, not feeling happy and not even wishing, I think, to have a reunion here. They feel that, yes, they feel things have come to an end here, Sagittarius, and that is the right thing to do. Okay, this is the justice card. They feel that bringing this relationship to a complete halt is the right thing to do, because of all this third party situation. They have this 3 of Cups the second time, right? They have it twice on their end, this one and this one. So 3 third parties. They feel that there's something which is out of balance here, and it's just right to put one of this to an end, even though it doesn't make them very happy, and it's led to broken hearts. Right? Maybe there were 3 parties involved here, or something wasn't right. So now this person B is thinking that the just thing to do is stop this dynamic of third parties altogether. And person B wants to return now. Person B wants to return to person A after putting an end to third parties. Yes. They've spent a lot of time in the Hangman's place here, Sagittarius, and now they want to return, and return fast. Like they have the Chariot, and they feel that this is going to give me my wish fulfillment. So both parties have been in separation for some time here, Sagittarius, and both have been in reflection mode, thinking about what's gone wrong, what went wrong here. Person A is feeling weak without the other person, and person B is also in heartbreak and maybe wanting to return now to an ending third party situations, and maybe coming back for a reunion. Let's see what's in your mutual energy. Knight of Swords, yes. 4 of Cups in reverse, and the 10 of Wands. So Spirit, what is this a Knight of Swords in their mutual energy? And normally means very quick communication, sudden communication, speaking without thinking, just putting it all out there. Maybe very harsh words as well. Somebody's coming in thoughtlessly. Maybe both of you are. This conversation is going to be quick, fast, maybe some bad words or unhappy conversation may take place, but whatever said and done is going to bring growth into this relationship. Okay, maybe it'll start out as a fight which will bring you both out of misery and feeling abandoned. There will be a fight. Big possibility. I have the 5 of Wands here. Yes, both of you will come out of the zone of feeling single and unhappy. You will come together for a fight. I mean, so many I think even Libra had this War of the Roses. So it's going to be a fight for love, it seems. After that, there's going to be passionate movement ahead again. But this is going to lead to some kind of a burden, Sagittarius. This is going to lead to some kind of a burden, 10 of Wands. Even though both of you want to work towards this relationship again, let's take one more card before I say something. One more, Spirit. Both have been feeling very burdened without this relationship going, in the right foot. Yes, I think eventually, Sagittarius, you're going to drop this fight altogether. You're both going to realize that yes, there is love here. Let's not end this and let's just work towards a new beginning, a reconciliation. Wow. So much fighting, so much whatever, ending up well, which I'm very happy for you, Sagittarius. Let's take, I hope this happens this month, but you please know time is fluid, right? So this could be now or this could, be next month, but this is the trend. This is what you people are going through, and eventually I think you guys are going to come back together. Let's take an angel blessing card for you as well, Sagittarius. And of course you have free will. You can change the outcome anytime you want if you feel, that doesn't work for you. One more card, Spirit. There will be movement soon. Sagittarius. There will be movement soon in your stagnant love life. And after this fight or whatever happens, it's going to bring you all into a peaceful space. So what that peace means for you, Sagittarius, you know your story, right? If coming together, yes, there is a chance. And if it's too stressful, you have free will. You can choose this person or choose a totally different path. It's totally up to you. It depends on each person's individual story here. So till then, take care, love and light, and I'll see you next week. Namaste.